In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a common issue you might encounter when trying to log into your Steam account, even though you're using the correct email and password. This simple solution can save you a lot of time and frustration, and it only takes about 5 minutes to complete. So, let's dive in. First things first, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Google Chrome, Firefox, or any others, and in the search bar type in Steam. You'll want to select the official Steam website, which should appear at the top of your search results. This is crucial because accessing unofficial sites can pose security risks, so make sure you're visiting the genuine Steam platform. Once you've clicked on the first link and landed on the Steam homepage, you'll notice a login option. Go ahead and click on that. It's usually positioned in the top right corner of the page, making it easy to find. Now this is where many people get tripped up. When faced with the login screen, the default reaction might be to enter your email address and password. However, what's important to note here is that Steam doesn't require your email address in this field. Rather, it needs your Steam account name. This misunderstanding often leads to the error message indicating a failed login attempt, even when you've entered the right credentials. So instead of your email, type in your Steam account name. This name is the unique identifier you chose when you first created your account, so ensure you remember it or have it noted somewhere safe. Next, go ahead and enter your password in the password field below. Make sure you're typing it accurately, as passwords are case sensitive. A handy tip is to use a password manager if you're prone to forgetting or mistyping your password. These managers not only keep your credentials secure, but also simplify the login process. Once both fields are filled in correctly, click on the Sign In button. This should grant you access to your account without further issues. Remember, it's all about using your account name instead of your email. Many users mistakenly assume both are synonymous, which isn't the case on Steam's platform. So, that's the quick fix for logging in successfully when Steam does not work with your email. By ensuring you're inputting your account name, not your email, and double checking your password, you can avoid this common hiccup in the future. If you continue to experience issues, double check the accuracy of your account name and password, and perhaps consider resetting your password as a precautionary step. Hopefully this helps you get back to your gaming as seamlessly as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.